Hello children, when your mama asks you to buy half kg of sugar, quarter kg of tea dust and 1.5 liter of milk, a cloth bag carrying how many kgs will you take to the grocery shop? Is the question a little bit tricky? Yes, today here I am Sajna to help you out with the fractions. Fractions is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal objects. Let me explain you with an example. For example, consider this picture. It is a whole object and it is divided into 4 equal parts. So here we have a fraction 3 by 4. The middle line is called fraction bar or division bar and the number above is called numerator. Numerator is nothing but the number of equal parts that are taken. And the second one, the number below the division line is called division bar, is also called as denominator. This denominator represents the total equal number of parts, that is here 1, 2, 3, 4 and the numerator here is 3, 1, 2, 3. So now you know what is meant by numerator and then the denominator. Denominator is nothing but total number of equal parts and the numerator is the number of equal parts taken. Let me make it more simple. Let us consider the number of sketches here. We have 3 small sketches and 4 long sketches. We can consider it as each and every one as one part. So totally here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts. Among this, how many small sketches are there? So we'll get the fraction as 3 by 7. 3 number of parts taken and the total number of parts 7. Similarly, when you consider long sketches, how many number of long sketches are there? So the numerator is 4 and the denominator is total number of parts 4 by 7. Depending on the denominator, the fractions can be termed as like fractions, and then unlike fractions. Let me put it more simple. Like fractions. What is meant by like fractions? See here, there is an equation 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. If the denominators are same, the fractions are called as like fractions. So as the name implies, like fractions are nothing but the denominators. If they are equal, it is called like fractions. Let us consider the unlike fraction. Unlike fractions, as I told you with an example of sketch, we'll again go back to this example. We have totally 7 parts. How many long sketches are there? It is 4 by 7. Now consider other equation. We have totally long sketches 4 and how many black sketches are there? 2. So 2 by 4. 2 by 4 and 4 by 7. So here the denominators are different. So if the denominators are different, they are called as unlike fractions. They are termed as unlike fractions. Basically, fractions are divided into 3 types. One is proper fraction, other is improper fraction, and the third one is mixed fraction. Let me start with the proper fraction. Proper fractions are nothing but we have a denominator and a numerator. In the proper fraction, the denominator will be high and the numerator will be small. For example, consider these are the number of people and these are the number of chocolates we have. So find number of people should be distributed with 2 number of chocolates. So numerator small and the denominator high. This is proper fraction. Second type of fraction is improper fraction. In the improper fraction, we have numerator high and the denominator low. So 2 number of people, 5 number of chocolates. This is just a clue word for you to remember. So this is called improper fraction. And the third one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction are nothing but one natural number along with a fraction. Let me put it simple. Initially I gave you an example. Your mama asks you to buy 1.5 liter of milk. So here one packet is completely whole and half is a part, equal part of 1. So totally 1.5 kg. That is an improper fraction. Sorry, that is a mixed fraction. So here I have implied with an example. Here you have 1, that is a total part, and another 1, this is also a whole part, and here we have half. 4 parts totally and 2 parts half. So 1, that is 2 by 4, it is further reduced into 1 by 2. So 1, 1, 1.5. So totally we get 2.5. So these are the 3 types of fractions. Now let me move back to the first question which I asked you. You have half kg of sugar, quarter kg of tea and 1.5 kg of liter of milk. A cloth bag weighing how many kgs will you take to the grocery shop? Half plus 1 by 4 plus 1.5. So when we add this, we'll get the approximate answer for the cloth bag which carries how many kgs. So in the next chapter, let me explain you with how to add the fractions. Thank you children. Have a great day. Bye-bye.